Okay. Credu'n ni'n iawn. No, that YouTube needs to go up a bit. Guess who's back? Back again. Steph's back. Tell a friend. Okay, ni'n gallu weld. Brilliant. Bore da pawb. Gobeithio. Mae bach o dŵr gyda chi. Morning everyone. Hope you got some water and some space. Second session of the week. It's me again. Shwmai. Ffit Yn pimp. Pimp gweithgaredd. 5 exercises. Working for a minute. Hanner ffordd trwyddo, we'll have a break. Halfway through, we'll have a little break. Twymo lan, cwlo lawr. Job done. Forecast. Hottest, nicest day of the year. So, session gyflym yn y bore, seto ni lan, and then we can enjoy the day, get some vitamin D from the sun. Everybody's a winner. Okay. Plan heddi, squat twist yw'r un cynta. Squat twist, we're going to do a squat, just like yesterday. Back nice and straight, squat loud like we're sitting down, and then we're going to do a little twist. Okay, so I'll do it front facing, squat loud, twist, back down. Twist the other way, okay? So we're my torso, okay? Corff fi ddim yn mynd unrhyw le. I'm facing the same way. Squat, twist. Okay, so that's a tough one, gets the hard work in. Yr un nesaf back raises. Sa'n credu, falle ni wedi, sa'n siŵr. We've done a lot of exercises, okay? Gorau lawr. I'm just to make sure you can all see me. Just about. Okay. A wedyn, as you're lying down, pan ti ar llawr, ti'n dod lan bach, back raise, and all loud. It's not a big movement, okay? Nice and controlled. So you can gweithio'r cefn, okay? Not a race, not as many as you can do. Nice and slow, don't push your head. Just fel na, a ni'n mynd lan a lawr. Kind of like the genie. Okay, wedyn. Os ni'n marcho, ni'n neud claps fyd. So os mae unrhyw un mewn gwely, if there's anybody in bed, you get to wake them up. Okay? Back nice and straight. So it really means you're driving your leg up. Okay? So ti'n gallu neud a clap. If you're only going to here, you got to bend. We don't want that. Nice and tall. Marching claps. Hamstring balance, 4th one. Okay, one leg, find your balance. Slight bend, okay, plug your pen-glin. Bach, ddim lot. We're going to lean forward, trio touch y llawr, a dod nôl lan, a wedyn swap o droso, okay? So we're going to go alternate. Again, it's not a race. Mae hwn, we're hinging at the hip, okay? So at the hip, we're not bending down. Slight bend, hinge in the hip, and all lan. Okay, when you swap o droso. Yr un nesaf tricep support. Ti'n mynd lawr ar llawr. Oh! Pawb yn gallu weld, we're symud nôl bach. Okay. My hands, imagine you're giving somebody a high 10 fel ddoi. Pow! A wedyn ti'n just rhoi nhw ar y llawr tu ôl. Put them behind you. Feet together. You're going to pop your bum off the floor. Falle ti'n mynd lan bach dy'r hips. And we're going to hold it there. So fi'n gweud tricep, ac mae'n gweithio tricep, back of your arm. And we're going to hold, hold, hold. Ydy pawb yn hapus. Bore da, Faye Perrington. Shwmai? Oh, mae fe'n nice pan pawb yn gweud hello. Joio. Okay, bach o dŵr I fi. Okay. Ni'n mynd I twymo lan, jog ar spotter. Feet coming off the floor, arms are going as well. I had a comment yesterday, Steph, you're wearing bunny ears. Yes. Amser pasg, okay. Get into it. Joio bach o pasg. I gave up chocolate, so fi'n edrych mlaen, okay. A little bit quicker. Side view. Da iawn. I want you to go in a circle now. We're going to go in a circle. Jog on the spot. Mewn cylch. Back the other way. Whoa. Da iawn. Okay, tro yma. We're going to, bit of a march. High tens eto. Big fan of giving people high fives, high tens. Push. Get those knees working. Da iawn. High ten. Hopa! Okay, tro yma. We're going to push out to the sides. No mewn. Da iawn. My heart rate is increasing. I can feel it because my breathing is getting quicker. Oxygen to the muscles that are working. Da iawn. Hip. Move our hips in a circle. We're going to go one way. Oh. And back the other way. Da iawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, okay. We're going to get our shoulders working. Cylche. We're going to do shoulder circles. Backwards. Nice and tall. Good. Count of in. 3, 2, 1. And we're going to go forwards. Da iawn pawb. Good. Now, if we're going to do our hamstring balance, we've got to get the hamstrings warm. So instead of feeding the chickens, we're going to do some dynamic stretching. Just rocking back and forth. Just like you're kicking a ball, but controlled. Don't kick it as hard as you can. Woof! It'll be flying. Swap drosso, swap over, get your balance. Get a nice bit of a rhythm. Da iawn. Break a balance. Use your arms to balance. Good. Da iawn. Pawb yn iawn. Squat bach. Pawb yn barod. Hold it there. Oh, I can see my bunny ears. Good. Lan. 2 more. Lawr. Hold it there. Lan. Last one. Lan. Da iawn. Okay, pawb I gael bach o dŵr. Wedyn ni'n mynd syth mewn i'r squat twists, okay? Oh. Okay, so just quick recap. Squat twist. Squat o lawr. We're going to pop up with a twist. Back down. Take your time. Os mae hwn yn eidolyd, maybe your knees are hurting, just need squat, okay? Don't worry about the twist. Hefyd, os mae mam, dad, brawd, chwaer, mae'n gyd a ci. Okay, brother, sister, mum, dad, granny, grandpa. Get them involved. Passcode. Cha-ching. Pawb yn barod. Squat, twist. Squat, twist. Again, you can go as fast or as slow as you want. Da iawn. Good burn of this. Teimlo fe. Lunges ddoe. Oh my days, my legs are on fire. Oh, good effort. Shiglo nhw mas, shake them out. Oh, hael yn dod mas. I have to put my baseball hat on, neu loads of sun cream, factor 2000 I fi. Oh, 3 eiliad. Squat, twist. Good. Again, arms, you can do what you like. Some people keep them by their sides, some in front. Oh, now ni'n llosgi. Oh, ho, ho. Da iawn. Come on, timer. Da ni. Oh. Ah. Oh. Okay, back raise. So we get a rest now ar y llawr. So ni fel na, corff, a ni just mynd lan bach. Okay, don't go fast. Control, okay? It's only going to be a little bit of movement because your back doesn't really go that far. Nice and controlled. I'll symud bach mwy. Okay. Arms underneath my head, but they're not touching my face. That's all it is. Un bach a lawr. Good. Oh, my carpet. What the mess lawr fan hyn, boys bach. Car o fynd. O'i ffeiliad. Oh! Oh! Oh, oedd hwnna'n tough. Eto. You're not meant to go all the way back, just a little one. My back was working hard for that. Just in try bach. Nice and slow, nice and controlled. Os ti'n teimlo, I'm not going very far, that's fine. Don't worry. I'm not going far. Am gallu weld? Yeah. Nice and slow. Oh. Da iawn. Keep breathing. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Trwy troen. Mas o'r ceg. Oh, come on, Easter Bunny. Oh, da iawn, pawb. We're going to do the marching claps. Okay, cofia. I'm going to have a little sip of dŵr. Oh. Marching claps. Dal, okay, nice and tall. And we're getting a clap underneath. Os hwnna'n ei dolid, just do high knees. Okay, if you want to, you can turn it into a bit of a bounce. First mynd I wneud march. Pick those knees up, really good. Clapping is terrible, Steph. There we go. Welliant. Get those knees, drive them up nice and high. Keep the back straight. Da iawn, rest. Oh. You'd think the bunny habits ears would like absorb the sweat. They're just causing more. Oh. Anyway, don't worry. Ochr arall. Oh. Nice. Big claps. Deffro, brow ni chwar os maen nhw'n gwely. Wake your brother or sister if they're still in bed. Big clap. Oh, yes. Nicest day of the year. We got one nice day. Whoa. I've got garddio, maybe a bit of gardening. I got peas growing in the garden. Go check on them. Da iawn pawb. Hamstring balance, okay? Bach o dŵr I fi. Bwysig yfed dŵr. Gair special now. We got to replenish. We're sweating stuff out. We got to get stuff back in. Over 70% water, so ni angen yfed. On one leg, slight bend, and we're leaning forward with the opposite arm, okay? Not my best, this one, but we'll try. Touch, swap o droso. Get your balance. Oh, touch the floor. If you can't reach, go as far as you can. That is absolutely fine. Oh, da iawn, Steph. Diolch, Steph. Lawr. Da iawn, pawb. Hey, I noticed it. O'n i'n siarad lot llai. I was speaking a lot less because I was concentrating so much. Ambell waith, that's when you notice. That's my weakness, balancing. I'm not great. Okay, no mewn, yeah. Siglo fe mas. Touch. Swap o droso. I'll do a different angle. Falle that'll help me. Maybe it won't because I can't look at the TV, so it won't help me. Hinge at the hip. Hip, hip, hip. So it's not my back, it's my hip that's moving here to allow me to touch the floor. Folding like a piece of paper. Opa. Un arall. Oh, da iawn pawb. That was the aisle. Yeah, tricep support nesa ar y llawr. Hands behind. So hands V, high five. They're going to go behind me, okay? And we're going to hold it. This is going to be tough. If you can, os chi'n gallu, push your hips lan. Okay, push your hips up. Okay, pan with you weld. High 10. Nôl, bum off the floor. Pin all off the llawr and hold. Okay, to make it harder, push your hips up. Popeth on the triceps, the back of your arms, okay? Tense your stomach. Dig eiliad. Cadw nadlu. Da iawn. Pick this one last because we're not breathing as hard. Feet, you're going to be on your heels, okay? Not flat-footed, on your heels, so you're allowed to pivot back. Okay. Ato, high 10, nôl, penol lan, on your heels, hands are flat, push your hips up. Now push your hips up. Tricep hold. Da iawn, halfway, a wedyn, when you cool lawr slow fach. Da iawn, hips up, hips up. Da iawn, pedwar. Ding, ding, ding. And that is it. Pawb I sefyll lan. Os chi angen bach o dŵr. And you have the bach o dŵr. Okay. Nice and slow bach. Plug your pengliniau, bend your knees. We're going to breathe in and take our arms to the sky, okay? And adlu mewn. Lan. Mas and breathe out. And go to the bottom. Ato. Top. Lawr. We're going to do this 5 times. Nice and slow breath in. I wasn't very good there. That's better. Last one. Good, okay. Siglo breichen mas. We finished on the triceps there. Okay. One arm's going to come across the body. Bar it in. Da iawn. 5 more seconds. Come down so pawb yn gallu weld. And switch. And ni'n gweud wrthnos diwetha, oh, my coffee machine, it's broken. Use it 5 times. Oh, never mind. Never mind. 3, 2, 1. Siglo mas. Bach o shoulder stretch pan I lawr yma. Going up. Imagine you're touching your back. Okay, and you're just going to hold. Gyda braich arall. Don't have to press. Push fe lawr os chi'n moyn. Bach, ddim lot. Ooh, sweaty bach fan hyn. Gweithio galed. Da iawn. 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay, other arm's going up. Touching your back. Other arm's going to come up. Oh, watch my ears. Oh, and hold. Pimp. Da iawn, and release, nice and slow. We'll do the Steve stretch fi'n galw nawr. Rhoi hug bach. And release. breathe. Steve stretch, hug, hook, crunch, and release. Unwaith to. And do a little smile. Oh, good, and release. Shoulders wedi wneud. Just to benny off of hamstrings, okay? Feed the chickens. These chickens are well fed in Llanfarian. Okay, just eistedd nôl. Left leg fan in, closest is out straight. Back knee is bent. Name really well, Steph. You'd think I'd be good at this by now. Okay, feed the chicken. Sefyll lan. Coes chwith. Bend in. Right leg out straight. And you swap off. Just feed the chickens. 4, 3, 2, 1. Da iawn pawb, gobeithio. Mae pawb yn teimlo'n da. Fi'n barod nawr. Loads o gwaith heddi. Mae'r hael wedi dod mas. Go outside, have some fresh air. Bydd hwnna'n ffantastig. Okay, bydd y boys yn benio off yr wythnos. Fori a dydd Iau. Stim sesiwn dydd Gwener neu dydd Llun. There's no session on Friday or Monday. Okay, so cofio hwnna. Gyr y sesiynau, all of the sessions are on YouTube, Cerrig Active, Facebook page ni, a mae loads of links ar Twitter hefyd. A hefyd, Microsoft Teams, okay? So, plant ysgol, mae'r thrawon gyda hwnna. Okay, hwyl fawr, enjoy o'r penwythnos. Don't eat too much chocolate fel fi. Woohoo! Ta-ra!